Let's solve this question from GP. This question is from 2024 specimen paper. Now the type of question that is given here is similar to one type of question we have solved in AP, where they were talking about three numbers given in AP and they had given some information about the sum of the terms and some product of the terms. So now here they are saying that we have three positive numbers in a GP. We have three positive numbers in a GP such that their product is 3375. So when we multiply the three numbers in GP, the result is 3375, and the result of product of first and second number added to the product of second and third number is 750. So we have to find the numbers which are in GP. Now if I assume the first term as A, then the second term will be AR and the third term will be AR square. These are three terms in GP, but since they have given us that the product is some number, I can assume the three numbers in a slightly different way. So let's say that the first term instead of A is actually A by R, second term is A, and the third term is AR. You will still see that the common ratio between the three terms is R, and the first term is A by R. So I will say that let the three numbers in GP is equal to A by R, A and AR. So if we find the values of A and R, we will be able to find the numbers in GP. So the first information is that the product of these numbers is 3375. So if I multiply A by R multiplied by A multiplied by AR, this is equal to 3375. Now advantage here, you will see that the R and R here is cancelled. The common ratio will be positive, so we can cancel them. Now we have A multiplied by A multiplied by A, that is A cube is 3375. And if you factorize 3375, you will find that 3375 is actually 15 cube. So we will say that A cube is 15 cube. Taking cube root, we will get A equal to 15. Alright. Now 15 is not the first term, it's the second term actually. We still need to find the value of R. Okay, we will use the second information given, that product of the first number and second number plus product of second number and third number is equal to 750. So first and second numbers product is A by R multiplied by A. So this plus product of the second and third, which is A multiplied by AR, this is equal to 750. Now A value is already known as 15. We can plug in that value. 15 by R into 15 plus 15 into 15R is equal to 750. 15 into 50 is 225. So 225 by R plus 225R equals to 750. I can take 225 common. So I will get 1 by R plus R. Now if I move 225 on the other side, 1 by R plus R equals to 750 by 225. And we can reduce this by dividing with 5, or we can also divide with 15. So 225, I know it's 15 into 15, and 750 divided by 15 is 50. And let's divide by 5, so this is 10, this is 3. Okay, now 1 by R plus R, if I take the common denominator R, I get 1 plus R square equals to 10 by 3. Then cross multiply, we will get 3 times of 1 plus R square equals to 10R. So that means I have 3 plus 3R square equals to 10R. If I bring the 10R to the left side, I'll get 3R square minus 10R plus 3 equals to 0. So we get a quadratic equation with the variable r, and we can try to factorize it. So product of numbers, I want 3 into 3, 9, and the sum we want minus 10. So I can take 9 and 1, but since the product is positive and the sum is negative, I can take minus 9 and minus 1. So that's how we can split the middle term. So we have 3r square minus 9r minus r plus 3 equals to 0. So then let's take common factors. 3r is common, then r minus 3, and we can take minus 1 common, then we'll get r minus 3. So we get r minus 3 into 3r minus 1 equals to 0. So that means r minus 3 can be 0 or 3r minus 1 can be 0. That means r is equal to 3, or if I move the minus 1 to the other side, it's 1. So r can be 1 by 3. Now we are getting two values of r, and both can be possible. We can have a common ratio 3, we can have a common ratio 1 by 3, both are fine. Now when they're asking us, write the three numbers. Our numbers we assumed were a by r, a and ar. So if r equals to 3, we have our numbers a by r. A value, if you remember, was 15. So we have 15 by 3, then 15 and 15 into 3, which will give us 5, 15 and 45. So these can be the three numbers. But if I had taken r equal to 1 by 3, then the three numbers are actually in the reverse order. How? We will have 15 by 1 by 3, 15, and we will have 15 into 1 by 3. So this is same as 15 into 3, 15 and 5, which is 45, 15 and 5. So the three numbers in GP, even though again I can tell you that the numbers are the same, 5, 15, 45, 45, 15, 5. But 5, 15, 45 is an increasing GP, so the common ratio is 3. Each number is increasing by a factor of 3. But I will also mention the three numbers can also be 45, 15 and 5. The numbers are decreasing because the common ratio is 1 by 3. So every number is 1/3 of the previous number. We have to mention both for this question.